Welcome to Next Gen Manufacturing Nexus. You know, we are living right in the middle of a massive materials revolution. I mean, think about it. From the cars we drive to the planes we fly, there's this relentless, non-stop push for things to be smarter, stronger, and lighter. And honestly, it's changing everything.
So what's driving all this change? Well, it all really boils down to one simple but, incredibly challenging question. How do we build a stronger, lighter future? This is the central puzzle that engineers and designers are trying to crack across pretty much every major industry you can think of.
Let's take aerospace, for example. Here, every single pound, heck, every single ounce matters. More weight means you're burning more fuel, you've got less range, and your performance just takes a hit. For decades, the industry has been in this constant fight against the sheer limitations of traditional metals.
And it's not just happening tens of thousands of feet in the air. Right down here on the ground, the auto industry is facing the exact same battle. It doesn't matter if it's a gas guzzler or a brand new EV, making a car lighter is the fastest way to make it more efficient. We're talking better gas mileage, or for electric cars, much longer battery range.
So you can see the pattern, right? Across the board, the demand is identical. The absolute holy grail is to find a new class of material that can be stronger than metal, weigh a whole lot less, and, this is the tricky part, still be affordable to produce on a massive scale.
So what's the answer to this massive engineering headache? Well, it turns out the solution isn't one single material. It's a clever combination of them. So let's meet the wonder material of modern manufacturing: composites.
Okay, so what is a composite? In the simplest terms, think of it like a superhero team-up. You take two or more totally different materials, and when you combine them, the final product is way stronger and has far better properties than any of the individual materials could have on their own. It is the classic case of the whole being so much greater than the sum of its parts.
And here's a great look at how that actually works, using something like carbon fiber reinforced plastic. You've got these incredibly strong woven carbon fibers that provide all the strength and stiffness. We're talking 5 times stronger than steel at half the weight. Then, all those fibers are held together by a lightweight polymer resin, which is what gives the part its shape and helps transfer all the stress. This right here is the magic of composites in action.
But these amazing materials don't just appear out of thin air, no way. It takes a really special kind of expert to bring them from an idea to a real-world thing. So let's meet the people who are literally designing our future, the composites engineer.
A composites engineer is the absolute crucial link in this whole process. They're the ones who understand the raw materials, who get the super intricate manufacturing processes, and who know how the final product needs to perform. They're part scientists, part designer. They're the bridge between a roll of carbon fiber and, say, a high-performance jet wing or the chassis of a race car.
And their job is incredibly complex. First, they have to select the perfect combination of fibers and resins for a very specific job. Then, they have to design the entire manufacturing process from the ground up, watch over production to make sure the quality is perfect, and then they're constantly looking for ways to improve the final product. They're in it from start to finish.
And because these materials are just so versatile, composites engineers are in huge demand pretty much everywhere. We're talking aerospace and defense, obviously, but also high-end cars, cutting-edge medical devices, all kinds of consumer products like your tennis racket or bike, and even in next-gen construction.
But for every brilliant engineer designing things, there are heroes out there on the factory floor and in the field actually bringing these designs to life. So let's shift our focus to the highly skilled, hands-on pros who build and maintain these incredible structures, the composite technician.
This quote from Michael Martin, a wind turbine technician, it really gets to the heart of it all. This isn't just about a paycheck. For so many of these folks, it's a calling. It's about building something real, something that makes a tangible difference in the world. It's about having a great story to tell. So just how physical is this job? Think about this number for a second. 275. That is the average number of ladder steps a wind turbine technician climbs every single day. Yeah, this is definitely not a desk job.
A typical day is both demanding and totally dynamic. It starts early, often with stretching, because these people are basically industrial athletes. Then it's out to the field, climbing those massive turbines, repairing malfunctions, and troubleshooting really complex systems to get them back online and generating clean energy.
To make it in this field, you need a very specific mindset. You have to be punctual and always prepared. You've got to be resilient enough to deal with tough challenges, curious enough to solve tricky problems, and, maybe most importantly, you have to be a trustworthy team player. Because when you're 300 feet in the air, you gotta know your partner has your back.
All right, so we've got these incredible materials and the skilled people to work with them. The next frontier, the next big leap, is all about speed, scale, and precision. And that brings us to the next evolution of manufacturing, automation.
The reality is that for a long time, making things with composites has been a slow, manual process that kind of limited it to smaller, high-end stuff. If we want to bring these amazing benefits to the mass market, to everyday cars and products, we have to automate. It's really the only way to get the scale, the consistency, and the efficiency we need.
And the technology that's making this happen is just incredible. We're talking about things like automated fiber placement and tape layup, where giant robotic arms precisely lay down strips of composite material, building a part layer by tiny layer with a level of precision that no human could ever replicate. These systems are a total game changer for speed and reducing waste.
You know, one of the biggest wins with all this automation is the ability to do inspections during the process. As the material is being laid down, advanced scanners are measuring it in real time, using machine learning to spot tiny defects instantly. This guarantees a level of quality and consistency that was frankly unimaginable before.
So when you bring it all together, these revolutionary materials, the brilliant engineers and dedicated technicians, and now these increasingly intelligent robots, it leaves us with one really exciting question to think about. What on earth are we going to build next? The possibilities, well, they seem just about limitless.